Dear students and friends, welcome and my greetings to all of you. Now we are going to begin phonetics class. Before starting this class, we must know how the sound originated and how many theories are given about the origin of sounds. Nobody knows the exact origin of language and words. The divine origin theory says that God himself was word and the word created human beings. We can find this reference in the Bible, Genesis chapter 2 verses 19. And Hindu mythology also says language came from goddess Saraswati. The Muslim holy book Quran was given by Allah. Most of the religion gives divine origin theory of language. But natural sound theory says that some human speech is based upon the concept of sounds. And slowly these sounds became part of language. And this is what how language developed. So let us begin study of sound of human speech. We are not talking about the sound of animals, sound of other beings, but we are talking about the study of sound of human speech. English is not our mother tongue, but we all speak English in our own way. So, what happens? Our local language influences our pronunciation and it differs from place to place, but the basic thing remains the same. Keep in mind, we are not British, so we cannot speak as British or Americans speak, but we must know the basic structure of English, transcription and pronunciation. So let us begin with our text. We shall have general introduction about phonetic sounds. So English phonetic sounds can be divided into three types. First one is vowel sound. There are 5 vowels in English language A, E, I, O, U. But vowel sounds are 12. So altogether there are 12 vowel sounds. We have studied in Hindi grammar Bara Khadi or Vartani, A, E, U. The same thing is here in English language also. And the second one is diphthong sound. There are 8 diphthong sounds. And these diphthong sounds are nothing else but combination of two vowel sounds are known as diphthong sounds. And third one is consonant sound. There are 24 consonant sounds. And altogether there are 44 sounds. And these 44 sounds make English language. So phonetics is a study of sound of human speech. Let us see what is vowel. Vowel is a speech sound for the production of which the air comes out freely through the mouth without any obstacle. There is no closure of air passage. Sound is produced without any friction. Therefore, this is called vowel sound. Diphthong is a combination of two vowel sounds. Already we have seen. Consonant sound is a speech sound produced by a combined effort of more than one organs of speech with a partial or complete obstruction of the air, which is breath out of the mouth. So it was about the sound, the classification of sound. Now let us see one by one about vowel sounds. So today we shall try to complete all the 12 vowel sounds. This is E. This is E. One is short E. The another one is long E. Choti E, badi E. E, E. So we can see difference in pronunciation. Sin, seen. Here we have used small E, E sound, short E. And here we have used long E. Mill, meal, pill, peel, rid, read, lip, leap, hid, heed, pick, peak, dip, deep, pip, peep, sit, seat, fit, feet, hip, heap, nil, kneel, rill, reel, fill, feel, sick, seek. So it's very simple to understand. Let us see another one. This is soft A. This stands for soft A sound. Pet, get, set, hell, fell, pen, beg, peg, ten, let, wet, met, bed, tent, get. We have used here soft A sound. This is A. Here C and K both stand for Ka sound. So you can use here K also, but I have written here C. A sound, Ka and A. T. Cat, mat, bat, fat, man, fan, can, bad, cap, mad, ran, bag, ban, hat, chat. So it's very simple to understand. Let us see another sound. This is A. It stands for ARR, ALL, all, and AU, ow, and ER sounds. This is long A sound. And here Ra is silent. Art. We have written here art, but R is silent, so we say art. Bark, card, farm, part, hard, calm. L is silent here. Half. L is again silent here. Aunt. U is silent here. Part. R is silent here. Lord. R is silent here. God. U is and R is silent here. Far. R is silent here. Cart. R is silent here. Mart. R is silent here. So in this way, it's very simple. You can study. This is also O. This stands for O sound. In English language, there is no O sound, but it is softly pronounced O. O. Bottle. Here we don't say bottle, but bottle. Dog. Got. Not. Solve. Sorry. Lock. Hot. God. Pot. Want. Cuff. Doll. Caught. Lost. Must. So there is no O sound in English language, but it is pronounced as O. Bottle, dog, got, like this. Let us see another one. This is also A sound. It stands for A sound. This symbol is standing for A sound. OR, OUR, ARE, AW, ORR, OW. So it stands for A sound. Let us see. Not completely A, but O in the sense of O. Corn, horse, morning, for, bought, fought, door, saw, cause, board, daughter, fault, cot, door. Another sound is U sound. This is a small U, short U, choti U. It stands for O, U and OUL. Let us see. B double OK, book, but we do not say book, but we say it book. Mood, good, full, could, would, should, bush, foot, cook, pull, put, So in this way you can learn by yourselves also. Now let us see another sound is long oo. Oo sound. Oo, oo. This is a long oo. It stands only for oo sound. Moon, soon, fool, wool, who, cool. We have used here long oo, cool. Suit, to. This is the. Tooth, foot. Food. Fruit, lose, do. Soup, shoe. Now another sound is a. This is a soft a. It stands for O, O, U, O, O, E. Let us see. Come, sun, done, dozen, fun, blood, ton, cup, gun, hunt, dust, must, month, country, enough. So it's very simple. Now another sound is A. It stands for IR. This is long A. This is also A sound. Long A. Term, firm, girl, dirt, bird, burn, murder, word, hard, hurt, cart, search, father, mother. This is also A sound. It stands for A, soft A. Let us see. Idea, A, ending with A. Idea, India, A. About, breakfast, liberty, actor, doctor, seller, color, favor, honor, center, theater, thorough, gentleman. So this is also very simple. I hope you enjoyed a lot. Thank you for watching. Next class we shall see diphthong sound and consonant sound. If you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it. Thank you.